So now let's see how we can transform paths inside of GIMP. So to do that, I'm going to go around and make a path first just like this. So I'm just going to go around and make a random path over here and close it out. And in order to transform this now, I'm going to go around and utilize the transform tool. So to do that, over here you can see that this is the transform tool right here. So you can see that there's the unified transform. But before that, let me just enable out the path right here. So if I were to take the uniform transform tool right here just like this, so let's just go around over here onto the transform tool, select this, and then over here I'm going to go around and select out the path right here because it actually transformed out the background. So now you can see that I can go around and resize this right here, click and drag this out and transform it according to how you want right here. So drag in the a path right here and you can go around and transform this and place it wherever you want, as you can see right here. Press enter and there you go. That is how you can transform it. You can go around over here onto this one and then you can rotate this out as well. So you can go around, select the path right here and rotate this out. You can also change the anchor point right here according to where you want right here, like you can keep it right here and then you can rotate it out according to how you want right here and press enter, and that is what you have for transforming path. Then after that you can see that you got scale right here, and then if I were to go around over here you can go around and scale it just like this over here as well. Apart from that, you can go for share, as you can see just like this, and you can go for path and you can go for share just like this by clicking and dragging over here just like this as well. Then after that you got the flip, as you can see right here, so you can go around and click to flip this out over here, and then you got the perspective over here just like this, so you can go around and change around the perspective right here by clicking and dragging out the handles over here just like this as well. So apart from that, you got the 3D transform, as you can see, so you can go around and transform this out, rotate this around in 3D spaces like this and place it wherever you want. Then you got the handle transform form right here, so you can go around and over here you can go around and click and drag this out right here by using out points right here just like this, and then you got the transform option over here depending on the points just like this over here. So that is how you can go around and then transform this out, as you can see right here, by utilizing the transform handles and everything, and then utilize all of the transform tools right here, including the unified transform tool right here, to transfer using everything over here just like this as well. So this is how you can go around and then utilize the transforming tools to transform the path inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.